Hi, I'm Sneha Rajguru. I work as a security consultant with Payato Software Labs LLP that's based in Pune. And I'm also a speaker, trainer at various security conferences such as NullCon, besides LV, that's besides Las Vegas, DEF CON, DEF CAMP. And I have been into the field of security for it's almost like 3 years now. And the way I have reached into security it's quite different. I really have felt and have undergone through an experience where I did not really find many females or women in security. And this all began and it happened while I was still in college, while I was doing my curriculum. I was introduced to Null, the open security community. I liked the idea of what Null was and how they used to form the monthly meetups where all the security enthusiasts used to meet and exchange talks with each other. And that was really fascinating, and it was a complete ocean of knowledge. That is where I realized that I actually can't find any women coming up around on the stage and giving a talk. And that's when I thought that there's something wrong here. Is it our educational system? Is it because of some government sanctions or some policies that is keeping us behind, or are just the traditional barriers that are just holding women besides or behind basically? But that's not really true. Women are much more capable, they are technically very sound, but there's something that's intimidating them basically. Even while I was playing some CDF challenges at some local hacker conferences, I found out that, okay, there's something wrong or something missing here. I was the only female who was trying to play a challenge there. And that's when I came up with an idea. I tried to ask few of my colleagues that why don't you take a chance over here? And the reply was, well, it's a complete bunch of guys sitting around there and it's really uncomfortable. Well, I said yes, even I felt uncomfortable at the moment, but practically I was thinking that if it's a technical skill, why not? Why do you want to keep barriers of who you are or what your gender is? That's how I came up with an idea, that is Vinja. It's basically a platform or a community where a woman is basically introduced to test her technical skills in your security, maybe networking to be precise, in web security, networking, IoT, hardware hacking, or the general trivia questions or the miscellaneous questions which arise in some random CTF challenges. So this is how we started, and I was actually so lucky that I got good backup from my company and my employer, that they helped me form a complete community and a platform, that's Vinja again I would say, where we launched challenges, CTF challenges specifically for women. So they are simulated hacking challenges where a woman can, easily try and play those challenges, develop her confidence, and then maybe go out in the real world and solve the CTF challenges. It's just a small platform. We are just encouraging women to come into security. And considering the other cultural barriers, well, I don't really think so they are even barriers. It's all just your knowledge and your confidence that you need.